Hi friends, when your website grows up, you might be needing a separate website for mobile phones. That means you might be looking for a theme which has been specifically made for mobile or tablet devices, and you can start a m. version of your website like m.yourwebsite.com. And if you are not exactly looking for this theme, this can be a very good theme even that case, because if you are having a very wonderful website but you are not having the mobile version of that website, you might be having a responsive website, but mobile version website has a specific look and it works better on mobile and tablet devices. This is why you might have seen that the big portals and the big websites must have their mobile version, that means m. versions of their websites, so that on the mobile their website may load faster with another look and with another layout or secondary theme, you can say. And if you are using Cloud Player as CDN, the Cloud Player also offers a feature to redirect your website for mobile version, and for desktop version it can be different, and for mobile it can be different. So this is a very wonderful thing that you can have two different websites. Of course the content may be different, and you should have the different website just in case you want to have a very lightweight website for mobile and tablet devices. And this theme I have in this video a very wonderful theme called Touch, and it is lighter than air WordPress mobile theme, and it is very specific theme. As I am saying, it has been specifically made for the mobile devices, and this is why it is unique in itself, and it has been developed by Bonfire Themes, and they are elite authors. Theme is in fact very old in fact, and it was developed in 2013 only, but regular updates for this theme is also being done, so you can use this theme of course if you are in plan for making a mobile version of your website. I mean willing to use a secondary theme for your website. I am simply saying this is the secondary theme for your website, it is not a primary theme of course, and you can use this theme for mobile version of your website. And this is the look of the Touch WordPress theme, and this is the mobile version of theme, and it is simple and it works very good since it is having a schema for mobile devices. It can be seen very good in the mobile itself, and this is the desktop version of that theme, but I am just showing how it looks on the desktop. The desktop look is very simple, and this is the mobile look, and the basic features of this theme is here. So in this video we are going to install the Touch lighter than air WordPress theme, and we will also look in another options available in the theme panel. So let us begin the installation. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed with the latest version of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, and some plugins are here, and the main theme file and the child theme file is here, and both zip version is also available. So we shall start the installation. For installing the theme we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and simply click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose touch.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, I believe you are having this. You can upload the same file and the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time, and this method never gets failed. And touch.zip is being uploaded, and it is really a very lightweight theme. It is just 140 KB, so not in even 1 MB. This is why it is a very lightweight theme, and this is of course going to work very fast on the website. And don't get confused, both ways of uploading the theme are same. Either you can upload the theme using WordPress Planner, or you can directly upload on the server. So I have chosen to upload on the server, and now we can extract the uploaded file. And once extracted, the extraction outcome is this touch folder in which we got all the theme components. So folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. It is not required now, and go to the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have the touch as another theme option. Let us check the details, and this is touch version 2.0 and by Bonfire Themes, and lighter than air WordPress theme for touch devices. Okay, very fine. So let us activate it, and yes, so it is activated, and it has nothing to do like demo like things. It is simply here, and install the included touch my plugin Bonafide zip found in the plugin folder. Okay, so please note that add the main navigation to the theme, install the included touch menu plugin. Okay, so we will do that of course, and for this we have to go in the plugins and add new. Plugins are already provided and the theme pack itself, so we will do that. And plugins, touch my bonfire.zip. What was that? I am just documentation, touch date, preloaders, shortcodes, touch my bonfire.zip. It can be good. And now it is being installed. Okay, so it has been installed. Now I am just activating the plugin. Now we can check our website how it looks. Okay, that's good, and of course it is here, and as I shown you on the demo, it is here, and it does not require any demo like thing, because it is going to pull data from your original website, and you can keep separate database for this mobile version of your theme. And I will definitely advise you to keep basic pages on this website. I mean, for mobile version you should keep only the fundamental and basic pages for showcasing the main feature of your services and website, and don't include all the pages, and don't use the same database as in the main website. And this is not going to be very beneficial for you, and use a separate database, and that can be very helpful for your mobile version of website. And this is of course a secondary theme, this is not a primary theme, so you can use this theme in for similar purpose. And this theme is available on our website, that is wpthemes.co.in, and I am going to add the link of my website where you can get this theme simply by clicking on the magenta color button where it is marked at get touch WordPress theme, and simply click on that and complete your order. You will definitely get the theme within a business day. So I hope this video is helpful for you and you have already subscribed this channel, and if are a first time visitor of this channel, you may please subscribe this channel because I am going to bring wonderful themes, utilities and plugins for you. Thanks for watching.